Most people, I don't think, put enough pressure on a trout when they're fighting it. I mean, with modern tippets, this is 4X on here, I can really put pressure on this fish. I'm not doing it right now, but it's really hard to break a fish off. You might pull the hook out of their mouth, but you can put a lot of pressure on a fish, you know, with a flexible rod. You can really lead that fish around to wherever you want it to go. And people just don't use their rods. They don't use the shock absorbing power of their rods the way they should. Because you can see, I can really steer this halfway decent fish around here. Oh, yeah, good one. Over on that shallow shelf over there. Now, I'm playing this fish. I'm trying to use side pressure to get him away from that log. And I only have 5X tippet on. It's pretty light. So I'm gonna try to slide the fish into this calmer water here and keep him away from the snags. Looks like I should be able to do that. Yep, this fish definitely wants to go back where he came from. Surprised he didn't want to go down into that log. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on, come on. No, you don't. Don't go that way. That's it, right in here in this calm water. Notice I haven't used my reel at all. The fish hasn't really run, so I don't need to use my reel. Oh, that's a big fish. So I'm trying to keep this big fish out of the weeds. Now I gotta lift up because there's weeds on the bottom. So now I'm gonna use side pressure here. I'm clear, and it's much easier to use side pressure to move that fish in the direction you want rather than going straight overhead. Now, when you get ready for the net, then you want to bring their head up. So I get about a rod's length of line out there, reach my hand back over my head, get the net in the water, and if I can get my short arms out there, there we go. Thank you for the spot, Mark. I didn't see that fish take the fly. We were about done, and I moved the dry fly indicator, and the nymph moved and the fish took it. So you never know what's gonna work.